I don't know why I put in like movie comments and stuff like that in my videos. I'm too old. I'm too old. Nobody gets the jokes. But luckily, you have Google. You could Google it up. What the fly is. Anyway, this thing looks pretty cool. I have no idea how it works, but maybe you guys were able to figure it out from the instructions that I flashed in your faces earlier in the earlier video. Clearly, this is where you stick that into charge or run the machine. I would imagine there's a button over there. Oh, push. See what that does. Probably opens something. Are there multiple things to be pushed? No. Oh, whoa. Always trust me to do something completely ridiculous. All right, so you push this and it opens the bottom. So maybe you
Likey